Cute as a button. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo in Safety Harbor is a first-floor corner unit, and it's right down the street from the community pool. It's got plenty of natural light that flows into the spacious living and dining area. And it also features an updated shower as well as an efficient kitchen with a wide pantry for extra storage. 2 outdoor seating areas beckon you outdoors for most of the year because there's no snow here. The best feature of all is that it's just a few miles from the popular downtown city of Safety Harbor, with restaurants, breweries, and of course the infamous Safety Harbor Spa. Downtown plays host to a number of fairs and festivals throughout the year, so there's always something to do that brings people together. Another Safety Harbor treasure is Philippi Park, with playgrounds, picnic shelters, and access to Tampa Bay for kayaking and sailing. So if you're looking for a winter haven here in the Tampa Bay area, or you want to live here full-time, give us a call here at the Junebug Home Team. We'd love to be able to say, welcome to Tampa Bay.